Hey, what's up, you guys? I found 4 pistachios in my pistachio bag, and I'm trying to figure out ways to open them, so here we go. Alright, I got one. I'm going to see if I can try to bite it open. Success, it works. Alright. Next one, I'm going to try to throw it on the ground and see if it works. That works. Alright, next one, I'm going to set it on fire. Whoops. 4th of July. Spectacular. Yeah, it's just roasted like marshmallow, so it's not gonna work. Failure. Alright, this one, I'm gonna hit with a baseball bat. Here, hold this.
You hit the ground.
Well, you know what you're gonna do? You're gonna shatter cement into your eye. Yes, you will.
You missed. Fail. 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 Didn't even break. Finally.
Works. That's just a leaf. Whatever, you guys. That's 3 of the ways worked. That's it.